सो ये है पुकाहारा का रिसेप्शन. सो यहाँ पे वी हैव टू बाय द टिकट. सो टिकट यहाँ पे $25 $26 फॉर adults and different prices for the children 5 to 14 $10, under 5 years free, students and seniors $22. And place of environmental learning. And वाह क्या बात है यार. 2 मिनट ये पढ़ लो यार, पूरा समझ आ जाएगा. So we are standing. बिल्कुल सही. So the demigod who fish stuff.
We've managed to bring that population back thanks to the breeding system here at Pukaha. So these birds, like us humans, the greyer they are on the head, the older they are. That's the only way we can kind of tell the age of our birds. The lighter their forehead is, the more chance that they are of kaumātua status or elder status. Our younger kaka don't have as much grey, but they still have a nice little white spot on them. Most of these kaka here are wild. We do breed through our 2 kaka here in Pukaha. The last time we had our breeding successful. She still goes back and gets fed from her dad every now and then. There we go, I can hear somebody now.
इसकी क्या स्टोरी है? So that's the story why the giant beta. That one is Spitfire, and that's the story behind.
Oh, that one, Mom.
Oh yeah.
Open the other one. Open that
Yes,
one.
it's brown. You have to close it though.
For this one we have in Indian also only in that side. You can see in the
क्या?
rainy season.
Hands?
What's in there?
और grass ऊपर नहीं बोलते वो green.
Oh, grass ऊपर. अच्छा giant beta, grass ऊपर.
Oh my god, that's a big one. It's on the whole line.
So variety of betas.